Children, I filled water in this small container which is having very small diameter. Why? Because I want to show you the surface of the water, which is quite obvious when it is kept in a container which is having very small fine bore container or fine diameter. Then the surface of the liquid has very obvious shape which you can easily observe, right? So now I am focusing on the surface only, and you observe the surface of the liquid. Can you see the surface of the liquid is having a specific shape? It is convex at its lower side, and obviously it is concave at its upper side and convex at its lower side. This convex shape of the lower surface indicates that pressure above the surface is more in comparison to the lower side of the surface. And this special shape of the surface is called meniscus, and this shape is because of the attraction force between the liquid molecules and attraction force of the container molecules. This special shape gives rise to a magical phenomena in the nature called capillarity, action of capillarity. This action of capillarity is responsible for the cooling action of water in the earthen pitcher. This action of capillarity is responsible for the water rising in the topmost leaf of the plant, because in the earthen pitcher the capillaries, fine bore capillaries are existing, because in plants very fine capillaries, veins of the plants are existing, and in such fine capillaries water rises on its own, and the reason behind it is the shape of this meniscus. So observe this shape so that we can unfold, we can unveil the magic of this shape.